Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dreams Kitchen. So today's recipe is suji twisters. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon aside. Let's get into the video. So now let's see the ingredients needed to make suji twisters. A cup of suji or rava, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per taste, freshly ground pepper, black pepper 1 teaspoon and oil to prevent dry. Let's now transfer it to a bowl. Let's add pepper, freshly ground pepper and mix this once and add chaat masala and salt and next chili powder. Let's make it a dough. Mix this very finely and add oil. And we also need chili flakes. Let's add chili flakes. So let's add oil for kneading. Now this is a stage of crumbling. This will be a consistency of like breadcrumbs. Let's add water and knead it to a dough. The aroma of this is very nice. The smell that itself is inspiring me to eat. See, its consistency is very nice. Knead it to a chapati dough. So let's transfer it to a workplace and knead it for 5 minutes. See ya. Knead it to the most force that you can do. It may be look like it's sticky, but its consistency is very nice. It's not sticky actually. Having rava in any recipes will have that very crispy. It will be very crispy indeed. See the softness it has. If you want, you can adjust the spices in your taste. Whenever you do something new, you have to do it a little bit and then do more and store it in a box. Whenever you do it first, that's advisable to have it little bit. Daily we are doing some snacks, so that do a little bit. That will itself be filling for our stomach. So now let's make the shape, the design which we needed for this twisters. We have made one. I'm gonna show that how I made this shape. The only thing we need for making the shape is a fork. Take the fork and this dough like this. Tap a little for that shape and roll it. See the awesome design which is made by only one fork, which is easily available in your house. If you are not used to making, if you are not used for that, you can flat the dough and take it a little bit, and you can also do it like this and take like this and roll it. That's all we need to make this. It's very easy and simple and extraordinary, very nice design. Now let's roll it. Fantastic. But compared to that, this will be a little thinner. See those both and this one. That the taste will be same, but the design is only important. So I will show you another one. Do tap the dough in the fork and roll it. A simple, very nice design is made only using fork. Simple things to worth it more. And keep it over here. This will make a very even shape for everything. Let's now fire up a kadai. for frying the twisters. I've taken oil for frying. So now let's fry the twisters. Crunchy crispy twisters. Check up the heat. If it's high, keep like this. The heat will come to your hand. Then we can put it. Avocado setup is ready to fry. So now let's put it. We are gonna deep fry this suji twisters. For frying, you have to put 5 and 5 and 5. If you are a beginner, you do that. See how crispy it is? It has to come to golden brown color. So the twisters came to golden brown. So let's take this out from oil and keep it in a bowl and serve it hot. So let's put it into the hot oil. For the second batch to fry, the oil is getting ready. I'm gonna put everything and fry it. After it turns golden brown, let's strain out the oil and enjoy the twisters. I've put all which I've taken. After it turns golden brown, let's strain the oil and enjoy the twisters. So the twisters had come to a stage of golden brown. Let's strain it from hot oil. See the sound? It's very crispy, I think. Wow, what a sound. The sound is awesome. So the crispy and spicy twisters are ready. This is only made of rava, suji. If you give it to your relatives, they'll not find that this is made of suji. So now let's taste it. Tomato ketchup. So it tastes awesome. The spice very nice. So I'm gonna eat this full plate bowl. So that's it. The video is ending. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon aside. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.